Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw in the title, I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing video. So this video is actually sponsored by FabFitFun, so thank you first and foremost to them for sending over this box. I'm really excited to open it. I haven't opened it yet, so I decided that I wanted to unbox it raw and real for you guys on the camera so you can get my genuine, honest opinion on everything that I see in the box. Now obviously I'm not going to have tried every product in the box, which is the one downside to unboxing right on camera, but I figured you can get my honest review and opinion as far as like first impressions of the box and all the things that are in the box. Basically, if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, they are a subscription box service and they send seasonal boxes, so you can subscribe and get a box with every season. There's 4 seasons, and they'll just send you one that have things that encompass what you might need in that season, or just cute things like jewelry, body care, skin care, I don't even know, makeup, a whole bunch of different things. And all the things in the box are actually full-sized, which is great because the boxes are only $49.99 and everything combined in it is probably over $200 worth of stuff that you're getting for a great discount at $50. For your first box, you can actually use a coupon code that they gave me for you guys, which is 10MC. It'll be on the screen for you guys, where you can get $10 off your first box. So you can actually get it for $39.99, which is even better. I highly recommend trying them out if you're interested. Like I said, this is gonna be the first time unboxing this. So here's the box. Might as well get into it, show you guys what's inside of it. This is the winter box. So this is really cute. Just says FabFitFun on the front of it, and it's got some cute wintry stuff on it. So let's open it up. Oh, this is cute. So when you open it, looks like this inside. Just says FabFitFun, and then all the goodies are right in here. I'm gonna try and keep this up here so you guys can kind of see me unboxing it a little bit. So just first and foremost, there's a little FabFitFun magazine in here. Okay, so I think it just has pages showing you of what could be in your box. I think all the boxes are different, but I'm not sure. Little disclaimer or something, I don't know. So what happened was they sent me this box right here. This is the first one I received, and then somehow, some way, they accidentally sent me another box. And I've already opened this one, so I've seen what's inside this one, but I haven't seen what's in this first one. So what I wanted to do actually is open the second one on camera with my first reaction of everything in this other one here, but then compare the items in this first one to this one and see if anything's different, or see if all the boxes are the same. I thought that would be kind of cool. So there's a little bit of an advantage with having 2 boxes. I can show you guys if it ranges at all differently between boxes, if it's kind of just sporadic, or if every box is to a T the same. So let's first unbox this one because I haven't seen what's in this one yet. So there's just like a little sample thing in here and a coupon for a purple mattress. So if you guys have heard of purple mattresses, they're just like really squishy, nice mattresses, but this is $100 off any purple mattress, which is great if you're looking for a new mattress. This right here, $30 gift card voucher for Sterling Forever Shine Bright. Redeem at sterlingforever.com. Okay, so jewelry service thing. That's cool. So a little $30 gift card for some jewelry. And then this is this is $15 off your first box. And then here is a $90 gift card voucher for HelloFresh, which is that meal kit service that sends all of the stuff you need to make the meal. Also, if my light is changing, I'm sitting in front of a window. I didn't feel like setting up any box lights, so if the light's kind of changing back and forth, that's why. So just disregard that. But anyway, got through all the coupons. Here's the box, and I'm gonna open it up. All right, so the first thing that I'm seeing is this makeup eraser. Looks like this. This is really cool. So erase all the makeup with just water, antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and actually take it out and see what this is. Okay, so it's a little, oh, that's neat. It's like a little towel thing, and then you just put water on it, and I guess it's supposed to remove all of your makeup. Next in here, ooh, so this box has a scented candle in it. That's awesome. Let me open this and smell the candle. This is really cute. Oh, this smells really good. It smells super fresh. Okay, so this is just a really cute little ceramic looking candle. And it's just all white. It smells super fresh. Fleur de Sel. I think it's French. I don't know. I can't pronounce that. But it smells good. Oh no, look. I got all the little fuzzies stuck to me. Great, good job. Next, I see in here Soft Focus Glow Drops. Ooh, Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Ooh. So I'm guessing this is just a makeup primer. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, it smells nice. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Okay, a Bluetooth shower speaker. I've actually heard of this before. I think I've heard of this brand. Bando. Oh, can you see that? Yeah. This is neat. Oh, I broke something. Okay. Okay, so this is a waterproof shower speaker. This is really pretty. Has a little suction-y thing to suction into the shower. And then I guess this is the charging cord. I'm not sure. I'll have to read the directions. Directions are always a safe bet, right? Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Ooh. Glide makeup brush against the Color Switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. Color Switch is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water. Lay flat to dry. Okay, this is awesome. I'm not going to open this one just because there's a lot of tape and stuff packaging it, but this is what it looks like. It's just a brush cleaner. Sorry for the glare. Okay, and then here we have Prime and Prep Detangler. So I do remember this being in the other box. I'm going to show you guys what's in the other box just to compare the difference. A detangler, definitely need that. My hair is mad long, so it gets very tangly at the bottom all the time. So I definitely need detangler. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. There's only a couple more things, I think. So this is a makeup palette, and this one actually is in the other box as well. This is called Proof is in the Pudding Eyeshadow Palette by Beauty Bakery. There's all the colors. It's really, really pretty. Interesting. I thought it would smell like chocolate or something, but it doesn't. I'm weird and I smell my makeup. Okay, moving on from that. So this is an Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash, and this one's actually in the other box as well. I remember that. Ooh, this smells really good. Ooh, I like this a lot. I'll probably use this today. This is really, really nice. I didn't smell it when I opened up the other box, and I believe that is all. Now what I'm gonna do is open up the second box and show you guys real quick what's in here. This box right here is kind of looking a little messy because I already opened it, but you have the same coupons as in that other box. This one has a lot of cute little things in it too though. This one has a necklace, so a rose gold necklace. It's really, really pretty. I love rose gold. There's also another one of those makeup eraser things. And then here is an exfoliate and detox pore cleansing clay mask. So that'll be really awesome for cleansing all the makeup out of my pores when I wear makeup. So then also it has the detangler, just like the other box did. So gonna get lots of use out of this detangler, like I said. Epsom Salt Body Wash, also in this one, same as last box. Another difference in this box though, is there is some R&Co television shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo and conditioner. Another thing that's different is there's this original coffee scrub. So this is a body scrub made out of coffee, I guess. That's awesome. That's gonna smell so good. I freaking love coffee. I'm gonna love using this exfoliant. Another similarity in this box is that there is the makeup palette in here. And I might actually do a giveaway with some of the similar things that are in here. If my mother doesn't want them, I'll offer it to her first, but I'm thinking if I do any giveaway with any of the similar items in here that I will be doing it over on my Instagram. So just a quick plug, make sure you go follow me on Instagram. It's morgancraft08, and be on the lookout for if I'm going to do a giveaway, because there's quite a few things that are similar, and I might stir up a little bit of a giveaway with that, but we will see. If not, I'm sure I'll be doing giveaways or some sort of interactive thing on my Instagram. I'm always posting stuff on my story for you guys to interact with me. So anyway, that is all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video and sending over a box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Definitely make sure you check out FabFitFun. I will link all their stuff down below, as well as put the discount code to get $10 off your first box, which is again 10MC. So make sure you use that. It's a great freaking deal, and you're gonna get obviously an array of different products that are gonna be awesome, and I'm super excited to try all these out. I'm sure I'll be posting about the different products over on my Instagram, so again, make sure you go follow me there. But other than that, I think that's all for today's video. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.